Trailfire 340. I've always had kind of like a bog taken off, so finally I put new clutch weights in here. I went 10 grams lighter. I think they were 58 to went to 48, I think it is. So the old weights too, they're really worn out, so there's a lot of side to side play. So these ones nice and tight in there, and there's no play in there. So I think before it used to engage like 35, and now it's like 48. So let's start it up and we'll take a few test runs here. All right, we'll let it warm up for a little bit.